As a laundry man, don't permit any form of horseplay in your office. You get? You get? Don't permit any form of horseplay in your workshop. What I mean by horseplay is simple. You know what they call horseplay? Unnecessary playmate in the workyard, unnecessary discussion, unnecessary no, just unnecessary things that are not correlating to what you are doing. That could be an horseplay. And the horseplay of a laundry man is friends, relatives, even brothers that come to your office to visit you and they begin to do things that you don't want, you don't like, and then you will not say anything because why? You don't want to piss them off. My brother, my sister, piss them off. You know why I say piss them off? Tell them that this thing, don't do that. Stop that. Leave this thing. Don't handle this thing. Let me attend to you. Let me show you. Let me guide you. Let me direct you on how to make sure to do this thing very well. Because why? If your equipment got broken down, if your wash machine spoil, if your iron got fallen down and destroyed, sorry will be the last comment. Sorry, hey, not best, not best. Not best will not reply it. Sorry will not buy it for you. You get? That's why before they say a stitch in time save 9. What does it mean? Those things you know that it will cause problem to you. Tackle it now before it becomes too large. Let me explain. Over the weekend, I traveled. I went down for a burial of my friend. When I came back, I came to my office on the HQ. My worker was not saying to me, say, boss, I'm sorry. I was wondering why this iron was shaking. I bought this iron new. I bought new iron. I'll improve the iron and other things in the office. But this iron was shaking. Say, what's up with this iron? Why this iron? That's why I say, as a boss, no matter whether you trust your decana, your longer man who is working under you, you are paying them monthly, make sure to inspect all your equipment. Inspect the iron, washing, inspect some things in the office. Don't just come and sit there, collect money and go. Inspect your materials, inspect your company, inspect the industry, inspect those things you are using in the office. I was like expecting that. What happened to this iron? Why are you shaking? He said, it fall. I said, how come you are not a careless somebody that this thing will fall from you? And what happened? He said, my friend comes, so we call iron. I said, what? You are like, I get angry. I just, you know, I'm a person that when I got angry, I just stood up, leave the environment. Because if I remain there, I might say somewhere that is harmful, I might do something that is on my just leg. So now I reset. So that I'm saying, what he explained to me is what I make to make this video now. You could be in the next meeting. So I'm saving this discussion to be the next meeting. Someone came to your office, your friend came to you, your guy is not around. You are the worshiping now. Maybe you are serving other person. Maybe you are working under someone. So this tip is for you. And those who already own your only business, this tip is also for you. Someone came to your office. Your brother came to your office. Who don't even know how to iron? Who are not even handle pressing iron once? Because I say, now let me iron, let me heal. You and I excitement now. You know this thing. Your body tell me that this thing is not good, but he said, leave me, I want my shirt, I want can go place. And he begin to do the ironing, he begin to arrange himself. And then the iron fall. As it fall, why? It just open. So they want to go and fix it. You know anything new, even phone. The moment you open that phone and repair it, it should have begun to come to that place. So that's how my iron got damaged. I was very angry. I didn't deal with salary, but I won it very well. I was not very happy at all. I'm not happy. The other one again that Horseplay connotes also, maybe you are washing. Probably you don't have this that day. No, every day you don't have this every day. Sometimes you have this enough. Sometimes you don't have few. You have few, and then you don't have so much work to do. The NEPA light came, or there was light. You didn't use generator, and then your friend now come to you say, "Alpha na boss, alpha guy, man, wash my clothes for you now. Since light then, since no dey do anything in washing machine now." That is a red sign. That is a red flag also. If you must help somebody, you direct the person. You attend to the person. Coach the person on how to do it. This is how you will do it. And then you say, okay, you now agree. But yeah, put your clothes on. Now pack the sweater, the jeans, everything. You now so they said the washing machine, boo, 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 boo. Wind it anyhow, typically the tongue, boo, 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 boo. You know, the head guy, boo, 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 boo. Or you press button anyhow, automatic washing machine. Those things damage these things. And if the machine spoil, have you priced washing machine recently? The price is skyrocketing. If you price washing machine today, price it tomorrow, different price. If you price iron today, price it tomorrow, different price. And then if somebody, because of your friend, because of your relative, he now spoil your iron, spoil your what you used to put food in your mouth to eat, somebody now spoil it. What kind of eye will you look to the person? Some of you are saying, you never ask for it right now. If you don't happen first, I can't take action. Okay, if you don't have the money to buy new iron at the time, you don't have money to buy new washing machine at the time. So your anger will be for you. You will get angry enough in your belly, but you cannot do anything. There's nothing you can do. Why? Because it has already happened. So to prevent this from happening, as I'm telling you now, don't permit horseplay. Horseplay. Don't permit horseplay in your lonely business. Either from friend, from relative, or from neighbor, or from people around you. Don't do it. If you must help, I don't see you should not help anybody. If you must help anybody, no problem, you can help them. But direct them. You be the forefront. Show them this how it happens. Someone came to your office who have not iron once, and they carry your heavy iron. Say, this iron help you. He help you. The next thing now, mistakenly, iron fall, boom, it scatter. Or what will happen? Or in the office now, you are in the office. Your friend just come. You have issues. Another person, then not come to your sword, come and fight, and boom, 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 boom. That is anyhow. Horseplay can be dangerous. So it's the restriction night, save night. Push it far. Don't allow it to come close to your office. Please, this advice is for the beginner and all those running the other business. Always try to inspect your product. If you are new to this channel, this is Pastor Day. If you are interested to run another business, DM us for a full class tutorial. And then don't forget to go to our YouTube channel. There are some videos there in the YouTube channel at Pastor Day that will be able to you for the beginning to anywhere you want to go. Thank you and see you. Bye.